single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously. Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. In today's video, we are going to do the unboxing and quick review of Chroma Tan Bluetooth speaker. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So actually I have this big box with me right now, and it has the Tan Bluetooth speaker as you can see, and few of the key highlights are mentioned over here as you can see. It says 25 watts RMS output for enhanced sound experience, 2.1 channel speaker, Bluetooth enabled to stream, and then it also has got the remote control and the wood finish and all. So let's unbox it and let's find out what all box contents we have in this one. So guys, let's start the unboxing. I'll open it up. Actually it is a big box as you can see. Roughly the weight is around 2 kgs. So I'll just open up the box for you guys, and so let's check what are all the box contents. Wow, I mean the speaker looks quite great, and we'll talk about the speaker in a while. And this is premium. I mean it looks quite premium as you can see. And this one has got the metallic base, the wooden body. So we'll check it out in a while. I'll keep it aside for now. Then we have the user manual. I'll keep it here. Then we have the power cord, and then there is some box inside. We'll see what is there in this box. So okay, so this is the charging brick as you can see, and the specification is this one is the 18 volts 2 ampere charging brick. And finally we have the remote control with this one. So that is something very great. You can control the music through the remote control. So this is something very good. So in all these are all the box contents which we get in this Chroma Tan speaker. And now let's talk about the speaker itself. So if I have to give the quick physical overview of this Bluetooth Tan speaker from Chroma, so I must say the build quality of this one is very good, and this one has got the metallic solid base which is very good and which keeps the speaker sturdy. And then we have the tactile buttons over here, and these are very good in quality. So, and we also have the LED light over here, and then we have the Chroma branding as you can see. And the body is made up of wooden, so this is also very good. And finally at the back we have the bass woofer. So this is how it looks like, and this is all the physical overview. This one has got the battery, and we also have the charger. So I'll just connect and set it up, and I'll just try to show you the music quality of this one. So stay tuned. So guys, I have connected the power cable, and one thing which I forgot to mention, at the back we have the connection for power cable, as well as we also have the aux input over here. So this is also very good thing. If you want to just connect your phone through aux, that is also possible. So if you're not willing to connect your Bluetooth, that can also be done. So I'll just pair up my phone with this, and let's try to check. So I'll just power it on. So as you can see, it has started. I'll just try to connect it with the Bluetooth. So let's see. So I have this here, so I'm just trying to connect it. So it's as simple as that, guys. As you can see, this is now connected, and now I'll just tap on this one. So this is already connected. So I must say it is quite impressive. It connects within seconds. So now let's try to play some music and let's see how it is. So guys, I have set up the Bluetooth speaker as I already showed you, and I have even paired it with my OnePlus. And now let's try to play a music and let's check how it is. So I'll just play one of my videos from my channel. So let's see.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
So guys, you can see,
That's my way.
I don't know how it is being recorded. So guys, I must say the sound quality is really awesome. I just gave you the sample. So in short, this is a very good speaker, and I mean, look wise and aesthetics wise also it is very good. And the box price printed on this one is 12,000, but you can get it at discount while buy online, or you can even go to the Chroma store and try to purchase it directly from the stores. So guys, this was a quick unboxing and overview, and I also tried to show you like how it looks and how it works. So hope you guys like this small video, and if you have not subscribed our channel, so please hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in next one.